Things are getting tougher and tougher, and it's getting harder and harder to provide for yourself. Every year, the prices rise. You want to provide for yourself more? Then you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Ken from Prepared and Sustainable Living. I make videos about gardening, homesteading. We have a small suburban homestead, hopefully soon one a little bit less suburb. We do everything around gardening, homesteading, hunting, fishing, home remedies, DIY, crafting. Because I think if I want to have my headache taken care of and the store can provide for me, I want to be able to get my headache taken care of myself. By the way, there's going to come a video out about that soon. I maybe have to be able to renovate something or build a shelf myself, or have to be able to provide for my own food, meat, fish. Maybe we have to one day do our own blanket because the stores aren't open anymore. All those things I think are important to be in one place, because if you want to be self-sufficient, you're going to need all those parts together to be completely self-sufficient. If you're already long on this channel and saw some of my videos before, look forward to the next video coming up about how I treat my headaches with my own tea instead of buying pills. I do use pills sometimes, but I try to treat it myself first. If you're new to the channel, feel free to explore the videos. It's still dandelion season, so the dandelion syrup would be a great way to start. Super easy to make. Check out how we garden, how we do all the things during the season, and like, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see, what you not want to see, where you want to have more step-by-step tutorials. And if you want to have more vlogging content, I can make more of that too. Let me know what you want to see, and let's grow together.